In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Taggbox widget loading speed. First, log into your Taggbox dashboard and open the widget you want to optimize. Next, go to the Customization or Widget Settings section. Now look for the Auto Load setting inside More Actions drop-down menu and disable it. Aside from that, here's what you can do to improve speed. Reduce the number of posts displayed per load and limit heavy media types like large videos or high-resolution content. You can also disable unnecessary features like extra animations, advanced effects, or auto-refresh if they are not required for your use case. Another helpful step is to filter your feed to show only specific media types or fewer posts, which reduces the amount of content loaded at once. After making your adjustments, save your settings and preview your widget to see the improved loading performance. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.